Welcome to Organico pit latrine treatment, the smart, effective way to improve sanitation and hygiene for communities everywhere. With Organico, you can instantly neutralize unpleasant odors, leaving behind a fresh, natural scent, reduce the presence of flies, improving overall hygiene and comfort, break down waste more effectively, cutting down on pit buildup and maintenance costs. Using Organico is easy. Mix 1 sachet of Organico in a bucket of water. Pour the mixture evenly across the surface of the pit latrine. For best results, follow this dosage schedule. During the first month, use 1 sachet per week for a shock treatment. After the first month, use 1 sachet per month for ongoing maintenance. Within weeks, you'll notice fresh air as odors disappear, a dramatic reduction in waste levels, fewer flies, restoring dignity and comfort for users. To get the best results from Organico, it's important to avoid using harsh chemicals, detergents, or bleach in pit latrines. These products can harm the natural bacteria that make Organico so effective, reducing its ability to break down waste and control odors. Choose Organico pit latrine treatment, effective, simple, and environmentally friendly, because clean sanitation matters.